Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will try to show my vocabularies that I have memorized in heaven. Yeah. So the vocabulary is about cooking. So for the first, we go to the vocabulary now. The first is required. So before you make account in Google, you must require the requirements first. And then next is uh, dish. So there's a worker that the task is to wash the dish. And then next is uh, strike. So there is fisherman got struck by the fish. And then next is necessary. This is was necessary. And then next is proper. Uh, get a proper meal. And then next is privilege. Uh, I got privilege because I got privilege for it because I came from I just came from the mountain. And then next is ferry. Uh, there is many ferry of food in hotel. And then cuisine. Uh, there is many types of cuisine in hotel. Yeah. And next is a pot. So my my friends a pot is cake. Yeah. My friend get a pot from his family. And then next is hassle free. So I like to eat at the restaurant that the restaurant is hassle free. Okay, maybe that's all. Sorry if there is a mistake. That's what I say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.